Hey everybody, Steve Schmid again with Simple Pump Company. Today I wanted to talk to you about warranty and our warranty cards. So our warranty is a lifetime parts replacement warranty. That applies to all non-wear parts. So your seals, your bushings, those kinds of things that can wear out. We don't warranty those items, but they can be replaced for minimal cost. If there were any kind of machining issue or materials issue with any of the parts, that's where our lifetime warranty comes in. And like we said, that is parts replacement, which means that we will replace the part and we will ship it to you. We'll cover the cost of shipment to it. If there are installation fees associated with that, that is not covered under our warranty. That would need to be done by either you, the homeowner, or whoever was the installer. So it is just a parts replacement warranty. What we are doing now, and we're doing this, sending these to both our direct customers as well as our dealers, we are providing this warranty card. Now, the warranty card does talk about the warranty itself and what I just explained, but more importantly, it lists the invoice number, it lists which type of pump head assembly, as well as which pumping cylinder you have. This is critical for us because we need to know what version you have so we know what kind of parts that we would need to replace. It also allows us to reference your order easily in case you need a seal kit. So if you're purchasing through one of our dealers, make sure that you ask for this warranty card because they will receive that when they get the order from us. And if you do have, if you're a direct customer, make sure you look in the box and make sure you keep this so that you have something to reference just in case you know, if it's a dealer, you know, it's hard for us to find that information or look up that order. Having that invoice number is always easier for us. Now, if you are a previous customer, before we started doing the warranty cards, you still apply for that lifetime warranty that applies to older customers. And if you would like a warranty card, we can actually, you know, send one to you. You just got to cover the cost of the stamp. Or we can actually send you a digital copy where we fill in, you know, we work with you to find your invoice, and then we can fill in the invoice number, we can fill in the pump head assembly as well as the pump cylinder that you have. And then, like I said, we can ship that to you in a couple of different ways, either digital or hard copy. So that's it today. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll talk to you again soon.